Hello friends, this is Ramesh Sharma here. Welcome back to the Fullyworld web tutorials. And today in this video we are going to start our new project. That project is based on our node.js. So this is just a simple project. In this project we will be using node.js, ExpressJs, and after that we will use MongoDB. So make sure that before start coding you should have node.js installed in your PC. You should have MongoDB installed locally on PC. So for that you can go to MongoDB here, MongoDB download. You can type MongoDB download and then you can download this from this here. So otherwise, if I will also tell you how you can use MongoDB online MongoDB cloud here. So for that we will be using MongoDB Atlas here. That will be our MongoDB Atlas here. This we will be using. So let's first of all go through our project, what we will do in our project and what is in our project here. So that project is our URL shortener here. So this is our navigation bar, and here till now admin panel is not working, but we will update this project also. So I will code live to make this admin panel. So when we will learn our Node.js all basics here, so then we will complete our project furthermore for the admin panel. So there you will get to know about authentication, JWT token, code parser, cookie parser here, and after that there is our passport login and passport local, everything, and the authentication with OAuth. That there are the further things here. So first of all we will start our basics only. So for that I bring this URL shortener here. So here you first have to enter your URL here. So I will add my GitHub URL, HTTP, or you can say that HTTPS. After that github.com / now my this is login here. So my account is here, Ramesh Sharma 100. So here I will write my GitHub page. So when I will click on short URL, so let's see. So see that this custom URL name is already registered. So if there is any custom name here that is already registered in our simple URL shortener, so it will return this username, this custom URL name is already registered. So see that I will now type another name here. So here will be my GitHub. I will simply write like that, my GitHub. So whenever we click on short URL, so it will give us the URL here. This is your URL. So I'm going to copy this and let's go to another tab and paste it here. So whenever we click enter here, so first of all it will see in our database, and after checking in database it will redirect us to that website, in that website, that is URL, to that URL. So now see that I am in my portfolio here, that is GitHub portfolio. So if you want this code here, so you can go to this portfolio here, that is github.com / Ramesh Sharma 100 / URL shortener node.js. I will give the link in video description also, and here you can download my full code here. Here you can click on download zip, or you can clone here. So you can clone this GitHub. So you can use SSH also, GitHub CLI also. So here you can clone this. So this is the code here. So simply what you have to do. So now in the next video, first of all I will tell you how you can start the server here. First of all we will start our server here and we will install dependencies here. So this was our simple URL shortener that we will do, as now admin panel is not working, but shortly it will work also. So see that I will also tell you how you can upload this in Heroku here. So this project is live here. So now see that there is youtube.com and here I will write YouTube. So click on enter. This will show our URL and this is now our URL here. I'm going to copy this, paste it here. So click on enter here. So it will redirect us to youtube.com. So for today this is enough. In the next video we will start our project. We will start making our project here and we will install some dependencies. We will start our server here. So here we are going to use our node.js template here. So that template engine we will use EJS. So see that here under the views here. So this is our template engine, that is our EJS. So this template engine we will use. So this is simply like a special type of HTML. So for today this is enough. I will see you in the next video. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. I will definitely respond to it. So if you have any project suggestion that you want this project, so you can mention that project in the comment section. I will definitely go through that. And I will definitely after some time will make that project, that tutorial based on that project here. So in the next video we will start our project. At last, thanks for watching. Just like, subscribe and share this.